the demo gods are seriously not with me today. All right, let's move on to the next demo. Along the same lines as input columns, we have, I was playing with this idea of maybe like being able to use a Google Sheet as a backend for this. So I added import Google Sheet here. This is very much not a thing that is live, and it is truly experimental. So like, don't ask me when it's coming. So import that Google Sheet. We will go and fetch it. And what we're doing is just creating a little backend for this guy. Look, great. Now I'm gonna go over here. This is my name and emoji list. I'm gonna add Marf, and obviously Marf, her emoji is gonna be bees. I can see that that's safe to drive. So I can come back over here, hit the old run button, and then, well, Rob is frowny, obviously. Oh no, bees didn't come over. Let's see, did it? Maybe the Google Sheet did not save in time. There is like, there, oh yeah, I guess because I was still in edit mode, it wasn't saving. Well, that's good. So you can see how granular these updates are. It's really based on what's actually saved in Google Sheets. So there you go, bees. Anyway, so Google Sheets and then, you need to join this in to do something interesting with it, but like just being able to query against it and do whatever you do with data. There it is. It's pretty cool.
So Richard, you can't join that in yet, is what you were saying?
No, you absolutely can. I don't have a join on Rob's name, so there wasn't really good. So yeah, no, it 100% like, because it's based on the same technology as the CSV upload that we have today. It works just like that. It writes back. You can join it. You can write calcs against it. You can do everything you want to do. I choose not to demo any of those things right now, given the state of my demo.
Yeah,
but
understood.
It totally works. Yeah.
That's so cool. Love that.
Richard, could you just speak briefly to how the data is, I guess, stored or written for the input columns, both for when it's kind of a new column as well as whatever we're calling it when it's behind or on top of a currently existing one?
Overlay thing.
Yeah.
In all cases, it is being written to a CSV back, just as if you had like dropped a CSV tab in to Omni. So ultimately, it's just in these cases, it's being written back to your like Snowflake in my case.
Got it. Thanks.